Hey there, thanks for tuning into Duckbricks. I'm Chris and welcome to a special new LEGO Ninjago video. Now over the past few months I have been hard at work at some special Ninjago projects and one out of the two has been finished. I was debating holding off on presenting them until I finished both of them, but I figured I'd just do them in separate videos because I'm not sure when I'm going to finish the other one. But let me just provide some context first. So around a few years ago, a fan artist for Ninjago by the name of Joshua Deck shared some of his original concepts for Ninjago posters featuring the ninja as human-like figures instead of minifigures. The writers of the show, the Hageman brothers, really liked the artwork, and that really propelled him to create a new poster for every single Ninjago season, as well as an ultimate Ninjago poster featuring every single season so far. Personally, I also fell in love with the artwork, and what's really cool is that the artist actually got to work with LEGO for a new set this year. Every single copy of the Ninjago City Garden set features one of his posters in full-on printed form. It's so cool to actually see a fan creation be appearing in an official LEGO set, and I'm honestly so impressed with how far he's gone. Now, a lot of his artwork and posters have inspired me to create some artwork of my own in the form of LEGO art mosaics. And one of the most striking posters he did was for one of my favorite Ninjago seasons, Season 6, Skybound, which featured Nadakhan and his crew atop of the main poster. And so I figured that was the perfect subject matter for a large-scale LEGO mosaic, but don't worry, there's an even bigger one coming soon. But today I just want to reveal what I've been working on for quite a while. This is a massive LEGO Ninjago Skybound mosaic featuring the top of Joshua Deck's Skybound poster with Nadakhan and his entire crew front and center. This was a lot of effort to create and also order the pieces for, most of them off of bricks and pieces, and I'm incredibly happy with the result. Up front and center, if we take a closer look at this mosaic, you can see Nadakhan himself in the front with his arms stretched out all the way across this mosaic. We have Clancy the snake all the way off to the side, Flintlock the right-hand man over here. We've got Dogshank and even a bit of a suggestion of Monkey Wrench, as well as Doubloon. So the entire crew is right here in this mosaic, and let's just take a closer look right now. One of my favorite things about the original image was just how good the layering and composition of the poster was. If you look at Nadakhan here, you can clearly see the arms outlined in a glow, signifying his magical powers, and I especially like the way that the sky behind them really looked like it had some sort of a depth to it. You can see the pink streaks in the sky forming the circle around the characters, as well as the blue seeping into the front and a pure white in the middle. Now, I actually did make some minor alterations to the image before converting it into mosaic form, specifically because the back part behind Nadakhan, which looks great as part of the entire poster, is a little bit confusing without being in context of it being a sword behind him. And so for my official mosaic, I made it look instead like the sun was rising behind the characters, which is why you can see the white orb around the characters and then some of the blues and pinks fading out around the outside. Now, when you get really close to the mosaic, there are a few places where I really do think it could have honestly been improved a little bit. Some of the facial detailing is a little hard to make out unless you're looking at it from very far away, but I guess that's kind of what you get where mosaics are concerned. I'm just really happy it was actually able to capture pretty much the likenesses of every single character, with only the tiny little Monkey Wrench being a little bit too blurry to make out even from a distance. Alright, so that about sums up this video. I still have to find a place on my wall to put this, but it'll definitely be displayed front and center. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're interested, please feel free to check out any of my other LEGO Mosaic videos linked in the description below. Some of these videos actually explain exactly how to generate one of these mosaics from an existing image. So if you have an image and want to turn it into a piece of LEGO artwork, you actually have the means to do so very simply through a site called the LEGO Art Remix site, which I've also linked in the description below. Of course, I've done a ton of mosaics in the past, most of them related to LEGO Bionicle, so I figured I'd do something different for a change, and definitely stay tuned for the future because I'm currently working on an even larger LEGO Ninjago theme mosaic, also featuring artwork by Joshua Deck, so stay tuned if you want to see some glimpses of that. And for now, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the Ninjago Skybound mosaic. Free instructions are in the description below as well. If any of you want to build it yourselves, I've actually posted the free instructions to this mosaic for anyone who wants to add it to their own collections. But thank you all for tuning into Duckbricks. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you again very soon. Bye bye for now.